members of Hindustan Samajwadi Prajatantra Sangha, did so to court arrest and put forth their arguments against the British government through legal trial. Bhagat and Batuk became the face of youth resistance against British in India. The person that I'm going to talk about next is a world famous personality. Of course, he's not with us anymore, but yes, that's the great Mahatma Gandhi. Now, after fighting against the colonial empires in South Africa, Gandhi returned to India in 1915. He started organizing peasants and laborers to protest oppressive colonial laws such as land and color-specific rules. Gandhi joined the Congress Party and led nationwide movements against the British Empire. His role in the Indian freedom struggle has been paramount. His political acumen led India to independence. He also preached non-violence, championed women's rights, protested against untouchability, and mitigated terms between various religious communities. Yes, the Salt March. Now, this happened in two phases. First, from 1921 to 24, and then again from 1930 to 1931. Mahatma Gandhi started the movement where civilians would refuse to follow certain laws formed by the British government. The first phase coincided with non-cooperation movement, while in the second phase, Gandhi launched Salt Satyagraha, where he marched 388 kilometers from Ahmedabad to Dundee, from March 12 to April 6 in 1930, and made salt against the British law. Azad Hind Fauj. Now, this was the Indian National Army, or Azad Hind Fauj. It was formed by Indian nationalists in 1942 during World War II. Under the leadership of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, its aim was to secure Indian independence from British rule. Adept in guerrilla warfare, the Azad Hind Fauj raised arms against the British Empire, but the movement faded due to lack of support and sustenance. And lastly, I will talk to you about the Quit India movement. In August 1942, Mahatma Gandhi called for an orderly British withdrawal from India. Banking on his words, the Indian freedom fighters declared all-out disobedience against the British government and demanded them to quit India. The Quit India movement, or Bharat Chodo Andolan, also known as August Kranti, was the final nail in the coffin for the British in India. I hope you enjoyed these events, and I hope you are very proud of your origins, and somewhere we are all very thankful for these people who were involved when they were. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Tanishq, for that exciting presentation. We now move on to the digital presentation of the students' achievements. The students of RD School Goa have participated in various events and tournaments outside of the school. We, as a school, would like to extend our appreciation to all the students. May I now request Ms. Tejaswini to share the presentation with us.
was excellent. I would like to extend my congratulations to all the young achievers. Up next, we have the students of year 3 who would like to pay a tribute today. We have Lorraine and Anisha from year 2 who will read out the same for all of us. Over to you, Ms. Tejaswini.
Hello friends, I am Lorraine Kaval from grade 2. Today, we are paying a special tribute to our Indian sports women. There are many women in India, but there are a special kind of women. Women who went to the Olympics. They are very strong and good at what they do. We should not push them or hit them, but we should be grateful for what they do, because what they do makes India more popular. Usually, women in India have to stay at home and cook and do household chores. Today, as we see, women are stronger and more independent and can go out and achieve anything. I hope everybody is as good as these women. Thank you.
Over to you, Anisha.
Hello friends and hello everyone. My name is Anisha Salgaonkar from grade 2. I'm going to recite a poem in honor of our Indian sportswomen. Bhavani Devi, an Olympic sensor, quick as fist, like a dancer, a strong woman behind the mask, her talent and skill, and sure said she is up to the task. Strong women in our team represent India with esteem. Boxer Lavlina from Assam won a bronze and made her name. PV Sindhu, you are great. Winning is in your fate. The audience cheered out loud. You made us all proud. Thank you.
Thank you for that wonderful tribute, year 2. Thank you for reading it to us, Lorraine and Anisha. We now move on to a song presentation by students of year 3. This song will be presented by Giselle, Kira, Ira, Ray, Ayan, Kian, Ruslan, Sansa, and Ayushi.
Ray, Kian, is it possible to... Okay, perfect. Thank you. Giselle, whenever you're ready, take it away.
Sir, kindly allow me a moment to spotlight the other students.
Yes.
Children, you may begin.
Giselle, unmute.
Three colors when we look up in the sky. Three colors make us hold our heads up high. The sacred of the rays are rising from the morning sun. In the afternoon, the white colors that bright. In evening, the green of waving palms in the trees. Our hearts will with pride as we three colors see. The saffron gives us courage and inspires sacrifice. The white is for us peace and honesty. The green is set with life and peace, prosperity. The center wheel is Dharma for eternity. Three colors when we look up to the sky. Three colors make us hold our heads up high.
1, 2, 3. Well done, children.
That was wonderful. Excellent. Very well done. Up next, we have a very important message from the parents of year 4. May I please request Ms. Tejaswini to share the same?
Daddy, are you safe?
Don't worry, Zubin, I am vaccinated.
Are you?
Hi, I'm Talon's mum. We are vaccinated. Are you?
Hi, I'm Samaira's mother and I am vaccinated. Are you?
Hi, we are Arjun's parents. We have been vaccinated. Have you?
Hi, I'm Daniela's mother and I'm double vaccinated. Are you?
I am Dhruv's father. I am vaccinated. What about you?
I'm a proud and responsible parent of Anushi Palod because I'm vaccinated against COVID. Are you?
Hi, I'm Abir's mom and I'm vaccinated.
Are you?
That was an important message indeed by the parents of year 4. Thank you, dear parents. Now, Ms. Siddhi would like to make an important announcement. Over to you, Ms. Siddhi.
Thank you, Anya. The RD family understands the importance of vaccination. As we all saw, Ms. Chanda Rai Singhani shared with us the various logo, the journey of the logo at the RD schools. So today, to do our bit, we have a brand new logo for the RD schools. And Ms. Tejaswini, if you could please share the new logo with us. The logo that you're about to see is the new logo for the RD School Goa. This is our fight against COVID-19, and we are vaccinated here. We hope you are too. Ms. Prachati, can we please have the logo? If you could please share your screen.
Ma'am.
Rian, kindly allow us a moment.
Yes, ma'am.
So here it is. We hope you like this logo. This is a very important message that the RD School is trying to give out to one and all. Thank you so much, Ms. Prachati, for sharing the logo with us. Over to you, Anya.
We now move on to our next presentation. This song is being presented by my class, the class of year 5. Over to you, Ms. Tejaswini.
Till Ms. Prachati shares the video with us, I would request the students to be ready with their materials, which we require for the mask activity. So if you don't have it, quickly go and bring it and keep it ready. And Ms. Prachati is going to share the video shortly.
Ma'am, I can't hear anything.
So we will come back with the video in a bit. We are going to move on to the next program. Anya, would you like to introduce this program, the mask painting activity?
Yes, it's time to get creative with our art mentor, Shibu sir. May I please request all the students to keep the required materials ready for the mask painting activity. Over to you, Ms. Tejaswini.
Riddhi ma'am, can you see the screen?
Yes, sir. You may play the
Yeah.
video.
Anya, over to Shibu, so it was supposed to be. Anyways, okay. So basically, I will start playing the video once I'm done talking. I will just speak a little about why we are doing this activity and why we are not recreating the whole flag and to create the mask. So basically, we are only illustrating the two shades that we see in the three shades that we see in the Indian flag, the Tiranga. So we have saffron, we have white, and we have green. We won't be doing the Ashok Chakra, yes, of course, because we do not want to disrespect the flag. So while the video is playing, it's just two strokes using saffron and green color. If you do not have saffron color, you can use orange color and just create two strokes. One orange, leave a little space in between. We have the mask, which is white in color, and then we will do the green stroke. And that's it. So let me start the video. Riddhi ma'am, please tell me if the audio is audible.
Yes, sir. We can hear it.
Yes. I'll play it again so that we don't miss anything.
Let's see if everyone's doing it. You can all hold up your masks and show it to us. Sir, you may stop sharing your screen. Let's take a look, everyone. Did you all do it? Come on, let's give you another minute. Let's do it. Let's see. Excellent, Kian. You've painted the entire mask. That looks wonderful. Those who are done, can you lift it up? Or you could put it on. Let's see. That's fantastic. I absolutely love how creative everyone's gotten. Aaron, that's lovely. Superb. You may all share pictures of you with your masks on, which you just created, yes? That would be great. Are we all done? Simran, that's lovely. Very well done, Yuvika, Aiden. Excellent.
Thank you, ma'am.
So while you complete your mask, we are going to give one more try to the year 5 song that we all want to hear. Yes?
दिखाए जंग की हिंदुस्तान की, इस मिट्टी से तिलक करो ये धरती है बलिदान की। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम। आओ बच्चों तुम्हें दिखाए जंग की हिंदुस्तान की, इस मिट्टी से तिलक करो ये धरती है बलिदान की। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम। उत्तर में रखवाली करता पर्वतराज विराट है, दक्षिण में चरणों को धोता सागर का सम्राट है। जमुना जी के तट को देखो गंगा का ये घाट है, बात बात पे हाथ हाथ में यहाँ निराला ठाट है। आओ बच्चों तुम्हें दिखाए जाती हिंदुस्तान की, इस मिट्टी से तिलक करो ये धरती है बलिदान की। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम,
करो ये धरती है बलिदान की। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम। उत्तर में रखवाली करता पर्वत राज विराट है। दक्षिण में चरणों को धोता सागर का सम्राट है। जमुना जी के तट को देखो गंगा का ये घाट है। बात बात पे हाथ हाथ में यहाँ निराला ठाट है, यहाँ निराला ठाट है। देखो ये तस्वीरें अपने गौरव की, अभिमान की। इस मिट्टी से तिलक करो ये धरती है बलिदान की। आओ बच्चों तुम्हें दिखाए झांकी हिंदुस्तान की। इस मिट्टी से तिलक करो ये धरती है बलिदान की। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम। उत्तर में रखवाली करता पर्वत राज विराट है। दक्षिण में चरणों को धोता सागर का सम्राट है। यमुना जी के तट को देखो गंगा का ये घाट है। बात बात पे हाट हाट में यहाँ निराला ठाट है। आओ बच्चों तुम्हें दिखाए झांकी हिंदुस्तान की। इस मिट्टी से तिलक करो ये धरती है बलिदान की। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम। आओ बच्चों तुम्हें दिखाए झांकी हिंदुस्तान की। इस मिट्टी से तिलक करो ये धरती है बलिदान की। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम।
बच्चों तुम्हें दिखाए झांकी हिंदुस्तान की। इस मिट्टी से तिलक करो ये धरती है बलिदान की।
वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम।
आओ बच्चों तुम्हें दिखाए झांकी हिंदुस्तान की। इस मिट्टी से तिलक करो ये धरती है बलिदान की।
वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम।
उत्तर में रखवाली करता पर्वत राज विराट है। दक्षिण में चरणों को धोता सागर का सम्राट है। जमुना जी के तट को देखो गंगा का ये घाट है। बात बात में हाट हाट में यहाँ निराला ठाट है। देखो ये तस्वीरें अपने गौरव की, अभिमान की। इस मिट्टी से तिलक करो ये धरती है बलिदान की।
वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम। आओ बच्चों तुम्हें दिखाए झांकी हिंदुस्तान की। इस मिट्टी से तिलक करो ये धरती है बलिदान की। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम। उत्तर में रखवाली करता पर्वत राज विराट है। दक्षिण में चरणों को धोता सागर का सम्राट है। जमुना जी के तट को देखो गंगा का ये हाथ है। बात बात में हाथ हाथ में यहाँ निराला ठाट है। देखो ये तस्वीरें अपने गौरव की, अभिमान की। इस मिट्टी से तिलक करो ये धरती है बलिदान की। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम।
That was fantastic. fantastic students of year 5. And I could see so many of you painting away while you were listening to the song. Anyway, so we have come towards the end of this event. Before we leave, we have a video with word of thanks from our principal, Ms. Kripa Desai. May I please request for the video? Yes.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Kripa Desai, the principal of the RD School, Goa. And on behalf of my entire staff, I would like to wish all of you happy Independence Day. I hope all of you have enjoyed the items and all the program that our students have put up for you today. I would like to thank each one of you to be here with us, to support us, of course, virtually, but to be able to celebrate virtually with us. And our students are really putting up and giving a very big fight during this pandemic. And I'm proud of each and every student of ours. Once again, thank you very much and wishing all of you happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Kripa ma'am. With that, we will end today's event. You may all unmute, say Jai Hind, Happy Independence Day, and you may leave the meeting. Have a wonderful weekend, children.
Independence Day. Happy Independence Day. Independence Day.
मम्मी देखो मेरे दो
I don't know how to leave.
Jai Hind.